Ah, yes. Well, she's working outside. I'm working inside. Getting ready to install the garbage disposal. I got to install a garbage disposal and a sink strainer before I connect all the pipes together to run them out of that drain in the wall. And so this particular video is about how to install a sink strainer. And this is what they call a sink strainer, and that's going to fit down in there. And there's a nut here. I don't really like this kind. See this big nut here? You've got to screw that on underneath, and then I got to use some big channel locks. So I can't really do it myself because then somebody has to come in here and hold this side with a pair of needle nose so it doesn't want to keep twisting and all that kind of stuff. I like the kind where there's a round ring on the back side and there's screws, and then you tighten the screws from down below, and then that pulls this in. I think, yes, the old sink was that way, and the garbage disposal is going to be like that. But the sink, let's just show you. This is the old sink that I pulled out of there. Okay, where is it? Here we go. You see? You see this here? You fit that on in such a manner, and then you screw it down on the back side. And as you're screwing it, it fits up against here, and it actually pulls the sink strainer tight and tight to the bottom of the sink, you know, just by tightening these up. And see, that's how you do a garbage disposal like this, and that's how the new garbage disposal is going to be. It's going to have something exactly like this on there, and you put that on there, and you finagle it on just right. And then when you tighten these screws, it pulls everything down from the top side and pulls it on nice and tight. Then you can do it yourself. But see, the way I've got to do it is I've got to get Mommy to help me. And that's okay. I'll get her to help me in a few minutes. Because this particular one, see, it's got the big threaded nut on the back side. And you know, if I had a choice, I would have gotten the other kind. But this came with the stainless steel sink. When we purchased the stainless steel sink, it came with 2 sink strainers. Okay, here's one there. Here's another one over here. It came with these 2 deals here. It came with some mounting clips. It also came with some covers that fit over the top of this. That's kind of slick. There's a little basket strainer in there, and then there's a little deal here in case you want to fill the sink up with water. Okay, and that all came with the stainless steel sink. So by Joe, I am going to use this, okay? And the way to install that is with plumber's putty. Here it is, right here. Plumber's putty, and you take it, and I'm gonna roll it out here in a minute, and I'll show you how that works, okay? I'm gonna do that next. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. And what am I going to speak to you about next time and show you? Well, it has to do with this whole drain assembly. This whole drain assembly, like this one here, okay? Like that. We've got to configure something basically similar to that in order to hook up to the garbage disposal and my sink basket strainer. Okay, that's for next time.